Welcome back, children, to our grammar class. I hope you have understood everything about sentences in our previous classes. So let's see what is all now in this chapter. Look at these groups of words during the night at 4 o'clock around the field. Now, children, here are some group of words which are making sense, but they do not make a complete sense. So all the group of words that make sense and but not complete sense is called a phrase. Now this is a new term that you have learned. So what is a phrase? It is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. Now remember, a sentence has a verb but a phrase does not have a verb. Now here you have some meaningful sentences using these phrases. So you have to make some meaningful sentences and use this phrase for that. The first one is the difficult puzzle. So children, I'll give you an example, but you will not write this sentence. You will make a sentence of your own. So you can write, I solved the difficult puzzle. So you can do this way, and the rest you will do it all by yourself. It is with a spoon, behind the cupboard, in my pocket, near the stairs, and this is all for a phrase. Let's see what we have next. Spin a story using fortunately and unfortunately. The teacher will begin the activity now. It's all an activity which you can do it when you come back to school. Now let's see something very important. We often use the verb make with person or thing and an adjective. So we use the verb make with a person, that is a noun, thing, and an adjective. We use make plus somebody or something plus adjective when we talk about something, somebody or something changing. Let's see how it is done. Now you have Xavier is not sad. Then it goes like Xavier watches a sad film. Then Xavier is sad. This film makes Xavier sad. Now Xavier was not previously sad. Look at his smile. He is smiling. So he is now happy. But then he watches a sad film. What does he watch? He watches a very sad film. A दुख भरी film देखता है. Then after he watches a sad film, how does he feel? He then feels sad. So what happens? This film has made him sad. Then let's see. This smell makes me hungry. So the smell of some delicious foods make you hungry. These songs make the children happy. So some melodious song, some happy going songs make you really happy. Then swimming makes him tired. So when you swim, then after you come out of the water, you feel tired. The wind makes the t-shirts dry. So when you hang on the wet t-shirts, then the wind that is blowing makes your t-shirt dry. So here you have seen how we have used the word make. Now let's do something. Write the words in the correct order. Now here's some group of words given, and you will have to arrange it to form a proper sentence. Like the groups of words are makes, me, happy, and chocolate. So how will you do it? Chocolate makes me happy. So this is how you're going to do it. Let's start doing. Then the first or the second sentence is her running tired makes. So how can we write? Running, running, running makes, makes, makes her tired, tired, tired. Then the excited computer boys games make. So how will you do it? Computer games make the boys excited. Isn't it fun, children? Okay. Now the rest of the sentences will be done by you. There are only 2 more to be done. So I think you will have a lot of fun doing it. Now let's see. Answer the questions with full sentences. Now this is all creative for you. So children, what makes you happy? Whatever makes you happy, you will write it over here. Whatever makes you sad, you will write it here. If you are happy, then when you go to play or even go to a playground to play games, or you eat something very good, then you feel happy, or you hear something good, listen to some good music, then you feel happy. When you listen to a good happy ending story, then you also are feeling happy. What makes you sad? So things like when you are beaten up, or when you are scolded by your mom, or when you do a thing that is not good and you are told by someone that this is not good, so you feel something sad. Now what makes you excited? So there are many things that make you excited. What makes you bored? There are many things which make you bored. When you listen to a very a bad story, or not an exciting story, not a good story, then you get bored listening to it when you don't like it actually. So you get bored listening to it. Now next we have the verb to be is often followed by adjectives and prepositions. So there is a verb called as to be. It is often followed by adjectives and prepositions. Now I am is always often written as am apostrophe m. I and apostrophe m becomes am, and when we write the negative of it, then apostrophe m and not. I am not. Right? In this way we do the whole thing. He, she, it is, then we read its apostrophe s, we add apostrophe s to it, and isn't. In case of isn't, we write isn and apostrophe t. So this is how we write the short form of this kind of verbs. Let's see what we have to do over here. So I am happy with my new dress. Samira and Steven are afraid of snakes. Mario is good at tennis. We are angry with our dog. We are not bored of shopping. So adjectives are words that give information. So adjectives, what are adjectives? They are words that give information. हमें जानकारी देते हैं. Like happy, sad, fat, thin, tall, short, and many more like this. Now let's see. To be plus adjective plus preposition will make what kind of sentences. So the first one is done for you. Write the words in the correct order. So look at the first sentence. Afraid. So what it is? It is afraid lions I'm of. So the exact sentence will be I'm afraid of lions. So I'll do one and you will try all by yourself the next sentences. With cat Gino, his wasn't angry. Gino wasn't angry with his cat. So the sentence will be Geno. Gino wasn't apostrophe T wasn't angry with his cat. So isn't it fun? So children, I hope you can do all the other sentences, and we'll do with the other part of the question. Circle the correct words. Laura is angry or good with her sister. So Laura is angry with her sisters. I am not happy of or with my rabbit. I am not happy with my rabbit. So you circle with it. Simon isn't good or funny at basketball. So Simon isn't good at basketball. We are not afraid of mice. Are you happy or afraid with your cat? Are you afraid? No, this is not correct. So, are you happy with your cat? If you say afraid, you will have to use the word of. So, children, this is all, and we end this chapter of sentence here, and hope you had a lot of fun. So, do it. Try all those exercises by yourself and do it and send it to me. Till then, have a nice time.